Welcome to Lesson 2, everyone. This is Brother Win, and I wanted to review with you what is expected of us this week in class, the assignments, and the activities. I'm going to go and select Overview, and if you do the same thing, you'll be able to see the activities and their due dates for Lesson 2. The very top activity is our speaking partner appointment. Please visit with me if you're having any trouble with your speaking partner appointment. A couple of options that we can work with you on making sure you get a consistent speaking partner. Peer discussion appointment is also due on Saturday. Class discussion. Our class discussions are going very well. Please have your initial post on Wednesday, and then you'll follow up with 4 responses by Saturday. And the thing that I want to emphasize with our class discussion is to make sure that your posts are around between maybe 30 and 50 words. We do not want to say I agree or that's a good thought. Please be very thoughtful in your responses and try to do a word count. Sometimes I try to do that to make sure that I am able to clearly define and discuss my thoughts. Okay, but great job with the class discussion. By Wednesday, we need to have our pre-listening vocabulary done, our pre-listening skills, reading assignment, English exercises, math exercise 1.3 part A, and the quiz that follows up with that. Those are due by Wednesday. Now moving on to math exercise 1.3 part B, that exercise needs to be printed out and brought to your gathering on Thursday, and you'll work through that on Thursday with your group, and that will be a very important gathering, and you'll be able to in that gathering start your budget and expense portfolio or budget and expense project. Also due on Saturday is the 1.3 part C, an English quiz, and a math quiz that goes along with the part C. And of course, each week we will have a learning report and an attendance report. So this week you'll be receiving feedback from your learning report and your budget and expense assignment or portfolio. So let's look at the major assignment that you'll be working on this week is your budget and expenses. So I'm going to open up this file, and of course everything kind of works together in our lesson 2 to start to create our budget and expense assignment or portfolio. So you will read these two assignments, or excuse me, these two pamphlets. One is called One for the Money, and the other one is called All is Safely Gathered In. And in part B of our exercise 1.3, you'll start to create a spreadsheet called Budgeting and Expenses. And this will be your spreadsheet to record your current income and expenses. And you will continue with this spreadsheet all the way through the semester. For the next, we still have 12 weeks, you'll be tracking your income and expenses. And as we go through this, there will be a rubric each week of how this is done. But for this week, make sure that you're tracking actual expenses and income. Make sure that you're using a spreadsheet that you created from scratch. And what scratch means is it's a spreadsheet that you've made on your own. You're not downloading something that's already been made, and that you're using your budget each day. If you have any questions on this, please email me, but a lot of this will be discussed in your gathering of how you do this. So again, let's just review really quickly. You will create your own budget using these two articles or two pamphlets as a guide to how to create an income and expense spreadsheet. What items should I put in? How should it flow from top to bottom in my spreadsheet. And again, these questions can be answered in your gathering. So good luck with that. This is kind of the beginning part of what the purpose of this class is to make sure that we are monitoring and tracking our finances along with our math concepts. So I wish you the best. I pray for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.